Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and the wax, no delay. Heat the Rica chocolate wax to about 40-45 degrees C, stirring until it's glossy and fluid, then test a small dab on your wrist. Once done, cleanse the target area thoroughly, pat dry, and if skin is oily, dust a little talc. Apply a 1/2-inch test patch and check adhesion. Make sure the wax spreads thinly along hair growth. This avoids tugging and sets you up to remove properly. You now focus on application and removal. Spread a thin, even layer of wax in the direction of hair growth, then immediately press the strip on top and rub to bond. Once the strip feels cool to touch, wait about 10-20. This ensures adherence without excessive heat. Pull the strip back against the hair growth in one quick, low, parallel motion. Keep the other hand taut to support skin. Repeat in small sections, and if hair persists, reapply a fresh thin layer, rather than repressing the same strip. You finish by calming and protecting skin. Immediately remove residual wax with baby oil or Rica post-wax oil, then apply a soothing aloe or gentle moisturizer. Make sure to avoid sun exposure and hot baths for 24h. Once healed, exfoliate after 48-72 hours to prevent ingrown hairs, and store the wax sealed in a cool place. If a strip fails to lift, warm the pot slightly, reapply a thin layer, or dissolve stubborn residue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.